Hello all, today we'll be learning how we can add multiple questions in the poll option. For this, first of all, you need to log in your school's room through which you take your live class. On the left hand side, you can see the subjects and the classes there. So just go onto the class from which you are going to go live. For suppose I am here in 6E right now. You can see there is this option of starting the class, but instead of starting, click on this blue option that is live classroom 1. Okay. After clicking it, this sort of screen will appear and you just need to scroll it down and the option is at the bottom. Here you can see the format is already given, which is acceptable here. So download this CSV template so you can frame your questions accordingly. After downloading it, open up the file and see how you can enter the questions. You can use it for the warm-up sessions, you can take an online quiz or anything else. So here you can see there is this polling one, that is a question one. Then you have the question on the right hand side which you can enter. Then there are the answers available also. If you want to add multiple answers, you can add multiple. If you want to add single answer, you can go for that. This is basically the format. Save it as, you can enter the questions here and then save it as in the CSV format, right? So for suppose, just go on to this Unicode text and select the CSV format and type whatever name you want to and save it anywhere on the desktop or wherever you want to. Then click on save. This is how this sheet will be saved. Close the tab from here. Go back to the same screen and here is this option of import CSV. So import that saved file here. Click on import, find your file, click on that file and click on this open, that is on the right hand side bottom. You can see it is giving this line that you have created 2 polls for the meeting. So that it means that your poll is saved. Now start the meeting. When you will be clicking on start, of course it will direct you to the Zoom application. It will open up there. So here at the bottom you will be getting the option of poll. So instead of typing one question then the answers during the class, you can do it prior the class. Here at the bottom you can see the option of poll. Click on it. Here is the poll that you have created and you have imported. So you can launch the poll in the class. There is a time limit at the top corner, so you can limit it for 30 seconds or for a minute. Students will be getting this on their screen. They will be answering it and you will be getting the response. Then you can end the poll. If you want to share the results with the students, you can do it, or if you want to relaunch the poll, you can do it as well. This is how you can use the poll option.